It's weekend, babies! Guys, I'm so excited because today is 1st of February. I don't know when you guys are going to be seeing this vlog. I don't know when you are seeing this vlog. But today is 1st February and I thank God for life. I thank God for my family. Thank God for my children, my husband. This is a month of love. So guys, let's spread love. Yeah, today is Saturday and I'm just getting up from the bed. Guys, I don't know whether you guys are seeing me properly on this light. Better. Today is another Saturday in my life. Another weekend in my life and I don't know where to start from. I did laundry yesterday, so that one's out of the way. Yeah, I'm just getting up from my bed, right? I've been up since, but I was editing. Editing is a very big job. You edit, you check sound, you do this, you do that. I've been editing. See, I want to be ahead. What I do is once I edit, I don't need to do thumbnail. I just upload immediately. Do everything, upload. I don't want to skip any Sunday. Skip any Sunday. I'm ready. Come at there now. Once it's Sunday 4 p.m. you're getting a video from Mama. Yeah, I'm never gonna lag behind. I want to upload 2 videos this weekend, so I'm working towards it. But now it's breakfast time. I have 2 children in my life, 2 toddlers, babies, child, anything you want to call them, children. I have 2 children in my life, 2 beautiful babies in my life. And please bear with me. I have my son here. My second son is here. He's making a hell lot of noise. So guys, it's breakfast time and I'm contemplating on what to give them for breakfast. There is nothing more difficult than in this life than thinking of what to eat. You're a mom, you think of what you eat in the morning, you think of the one you eat in the afternoon, you think of the one you eat in the night. What is all this? You people didn't explain this thing very well to me. Normally, I don't even know what to I don't have oba flour. If I had oba flour, I would have just cooked oba. But you know what? Let me go and buy oba for them. Since I can make one, I can buy. Yeah, so let me not stress myself. Let me just buy oba for them. Come out from here. Come out from there. Come. You are my problem in this house. Very soon you're going to carry your bag and leave this house for me. I'm telling you. I know it's hunger that is making them follow me around the house. So let's go and buy oba so that they can eat, and I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys later, beg. Brian. Give me the water now. Alright, let's go upstairs. Climbing these stairs is another exercise of the soul. Climbing 3-story building. Oh, wow. Guys, a whole lot is going down here. I'm sweating. I just climbed a 3-story building. My son is hungry. As in, he's very hungry. Nice. It seems like if you give these children food, if you give them food, that's when they will have strength to disturb you very well. Right, see your car. After you fighting for teaching this school, see your own. Get a car, kenka, say mommy.
Mommy.
Say mommy. Say mommy.
Please.
At this point, I was really upset. I was pissed. I was really pissed. So I decided to use a voiceover to explain myself. Guys, I was showing you guys the last clip you guys saw. I was at the mall. So I was showing you guys things I got from the mall in this video. Before I got dressed, I was trying to show you guys everything I bought, not knowing that I didn't press record. I didn't know I didn't press record. I was just talking to I didn't know I was talking to myself. I didn't press record. So all those clips I wanted to capture, all gone. That is life. So here I was getting ready to go to the market. I was already dressed because I have to go to the market and come back on time to be able to go for school run. So that was what I was getting ready to do here. Yeah. That's just it. Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm just coming back from the market now. If you look at me very well, I'm stressed. Even at the point I removed my lashes. The sun is sunning, like the sun is hot. I'm just coming back now. I just want to show you guys a bit of what I bought from the market. I got a carton of Indomie. Come out there. I got a carton of Indomie. I bought Pampers for this boy, show you guys his head. I bought Pampers. Carry out your naked body and come off my video. See your head. I bought Pampers. Then guys, I bought spaghetti. I still have more spaghetti here. More spaghetti. I bought macaroni. Oil. King's oil. I bought two. I bought a carton of tomatoes, pepper and onions tomatoes. Red oil. I bought red oil. Bright. I bought this red oil. More spaghetti. Okay, then I bought this one for frying. For frying fish. Frying anything, fried meat, anything. For this is not this one that is expensive that you can fry anything in this house. It's not possible. Then I bought crayfish. I bought salt. I bought gnocchi. The main thing here is just spices. Move over to this bag here. Okay, stockfish. And I bought this. This is detergent. I bought hypo. I bought disinfectant. This is what my children use for bathing. This thing I used to buy it 118 before, but now this is 2,000. Then I bought this one pack of soap. I bought their so this is their soap that they use. I bought the pack of this soap. I bought milk, my son's milk.
Music.
They use baby secret, so I bought their
Green. Very green.
Body cream. Then I bought soap for washing. Then I got wipes. I think that's all I bought. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically what I bought. And I just say let me show you guys what I bought from the market. Let me arrange all this and put them in the rightful place. Then go and bathe my children because I just came back now and I brought them back from school, so we all just came back together. Guys, let me just arrange all these things and I'll see you guys later. Guys, look at the time. Guys, guess what happened to me today? My gas finished on me. My gas finished when I was cooking and I didn't finish cooking. So I never didn't bring the light. As in, of all day, today there was no light. So it hasn't been long. Okay, they got the light around 11. I had to start from where I stopped. I'm trying to round up what I'm cooking. I'm trying to round up what I'm cooking so I can possibly go to bed. It's late. Being a mom is not easy. You be the last to sleep and still be the first to wake up. I don't explain this thing properly. I don't explain. Good morning. I'm here to close out this vlog. I've dragged this vlog for the longest. This is almost 10 o'clock. This is 10 o'clock. I want to close the vlog so I can edit it. So I can start editing it immediately and also start a new vlog. I started this vlog since I think since Saturday or Friday, thereabouts. I can't really move your hand now. I can't really remember. I started this I think Friday or Saturday, and today is, what am I even saying? I started this vlog, yes, last week Friday or Saturday, thereabouts, and today is Friday. So I've really dragged the vlog for the longest. I've been through a lot this week. A whole lot has been happening this week. My son is not feeling fine and I have been all over the place. He's here with me. I've been all over the place this week, but thank God he's getting better. He's feeling much better. I want to close this vlog so I can start editing it and also start a new one. Thank you guys for watching. Do well to subscribe. See guys, my brain is touching. My brain has been through a lot this week, but I thank God. At least for the life of my son, I thank God. You may looking at me, Seth, you know that I look stressed. I look stressed. See, when I'm stressed, see pimple all over my face, all over my. pimple all over my face. See, guys, I will see you guys in another vlog.